So to install Okta Verify app, just tap Get, and then you can use your Touch ID to verify to install the app, or your Face ID. And this app is similar to like Google Authenticator. And then you can just open the app and then get started. When you access your organization app, you to confirm your identity. And then you can just add an account. You can choose the account type you would like to add, either work, school, or other like Facebook or Google. And then you need to scan the QR code provided by the service or enter the key manually. Or do you have your QR code? Make sure your QR code is shown on another device such as laptop. You can use that, and then you can use organization sign-in URL if it's provided to you. So this app is kind of like an alternative to, Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. If you don't like these apps, you can try out this one. For example, Google Authenticator, it's quite popular, but it's quite hard to move accounts from one device to another. And so there are some issues on iPhone with that app. So some people prefer Okta. So that's basically what it is. You can change theme here as well. You can send feedback, and then there is some beta app, and Okta apps are quite well known in this verification and security niche. So this is not just some random developer. This is like a known brand in this area. So that's that. Hope it is helpful.